Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 moving average on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it, then type moving average. Now choose this one, click on it, and this is our moving average, but we have to change it to the 200 moving average. So go to MA9 here, click on these three dots and click on settings. Now go to input and change 9 to 200. Click on OK, and as you can see, this is our 200 moving average. Let's say you want to change the color, okay, because it doesn't look that good. So I will go to these three dots here, click on settings, go to style, and we have here the color. So I will change it, for example, to white, and I will change the thickness to this one. And now just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.